Hey, what up good people? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. So today we're doing a little bit of a different kind of video where I wanted to put on my press-on nails. That's really all that I wear. I kind of stopped getting my nails done. I haven't had acrylic done in many years, but I at least used to do the gel nails over top of my own nails. And ever since the pandemic, I just stopped. And I've just been on a press-on nails kick ever since. So today's press-on nails we're going to be putting on are by Tailored Tips, as you see here. And these are custom press-on nails. And I just love her packaging. Like, first of all, I just wanted to like keep it the way that it came because I thought it was super cute. Like, look at this little box. I never had anybody put it in a box like this. And then you just remove a little sleeve and you still got Tailored Tips on here. Super cute with a little bow. Like, the packaging is everything for me. Like, this is so cute, y'all. And then you also get this little package of other like nail supplies and goodies up in here. Let me go ahead and take everything out. Ooh, goodness, Ebony. So you get a little nail buffer, nail glue, cuticle pushers, a little nail file, alcohol swab, and then the little like nail sticky tabbies for the nails. And this is her business card by Taylor Jenkins. I will leave all of her information down in the description box below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Just kind of wanted to show you everything that was included. I wish I had opened this before I had already, because I kind of already like, you know, cleaned and manicured my own nails. So I don't really, every time I put them on, I go ahead and cut them off. Like, I don't even allow my nails to grow at all. I just cut them off and just wear the press-ons. Like, that's it, that's all. So let's go ahead and dive into the nails that I got. Look at these, y'all. These are so freaking beautiful, aren't they? So I ordered 3 different designs. These are so cute, y'all. Like, y'all know, first of all, blue is my favorite color. And then I thought this little chocolate color was super cute as well. And of course, this in living color, I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna make sure I give you all the right names in the description box. So feel free to check it out. She has a plethora of different beautiful designs that I just absolutely love. And I feel like they're quite affordable as well. So I'll list all that info down below. So which ones y'all think I should put on today? I'm not sure. Oh, I'm so indecisive. I feel like I've been doing a lot of nude colors lately. So maybe I need a pop of color. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with the blue because I just need a pop of color because I'm gonna change this. This is KDS Professional Nail Glue. Yeah, not sure of the brand or anything, but this is what we're gonna use today. I'm just gonna cut off a little piece of the tip here so that the glue comes out a little better. There we go. And this will be my glue holder. Just gonna stick that back in the box so that it holds my glue. Now, I ordered a size large, and that may be one of the only cons I can think of right now is only having exactly 10 nails. I just hope and pray that they all fit my nails. I kind of like where you have, you know, just more nails, like 15 to 20 or so that you have options with sizing. But when it's like this, you're just kind of stuck with the size that you get, and you just kind of hope and pray that they all fit. So that's what we're banking on today. So in addition to the glue that comes in the pack, I also like to use this brush-on glue. Any brush-on glue. This is my preference. I usually brush this on the nail and then I apply this glue inside of the actual nail and apply it that way. For me, it basically just gives me double security. It feels like, or it seems like, my nails stay on pretty long when I do both. At least 10 to 14 days my nails will stay on, my press-on nails will stay on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. Now, before I actually apply the nail, like I said, my nails are nice and clean right now. I've already filed them, buffed them, all of that. And, you know, my hands are clean. So I do, before I actually apply the nail, I do like to file the top of my nail just to give it some texture and something for the glue and the nail to grip to. Let me not do that over the nail. Now we're ready. But before I'm just gonna take these off and I'm just gonna start measuring just to see if it actually fits. Okay, that's pretty good. Yep. I'm just gonna get them all off so they're not so stuck to the sticky strip. So far, yes, they are all fitting. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna take them off. This is how I would normally have them, just laid out on my towel so that I can easily grab them. Okay, these actually fit nice. When I'm doing this measuring, I'm basically checking to see if my entire nail is being covered. You don't want to see any of your nail poking out on the side. Not a good look. And this was a perfect size, y'all. Like, I ordered my correct size and I'm so happy about that. So we're good to go. All right, so I am going to move this to the side. Now, before I begin, I just want to point out, again, I buy a lot of press-on nails. And when you buy them out of just like the regular drug stores, they're super soft, they're super flimsy, but I love how hard and sturdy these are. Like, these are really nice and sturdy. Like, they're not gonna be bending and easily breaking on me. So I really, really do like this. This is why I wanted to go this route, because I feel like the quality is, of course, a lot better than buying the little $9.99 pack of press-on nails from the drugstore. Much better, in my opinion. All right, so now we can get started. I always like to have like a little wet paper towel nearby in case I have to wipe off any glue that has spewed out or anything like that. So since I am right-handed, for some reason I always like to start with my non-dominant hand. Well, I'm applying it to my right hand, but I'm using my non-dominant hand, which is my left hand. So I feel like I always like to go with the harder hand first and then switch to the easier hand. So again, I am just applying a little bit of this brush on glue to my nail. I'm just brushing it on. And then I'm gonna take this glue and apply a little bit, just a little bit inside. Please excuse the loud hollering children in the background. Swirl it around so that it's covering all ends of the back of the nail at least. Sometimes I'll even blow it a little bit. And my pinky, because they're both like super wet like this, so something has to dry a little bit to give you that tackiness. And as I'm applying, I'm just gonna push back on my cuticle here to make sure it is all the way back, and then press down. Now with that, I have to take a glance and make sure that it's straight, because you have to make sure it's straight before it starts drying and before you press down all the way completely. So then I just hold this in place for about 10 seconds and I am pressing side to side, side to side. And voila. So I'm not gonna bore you and continue talking your head off as I'm going step by step, because the steps don't change. Like, I'm gonna be doing the same thing over and over. So let's go. so I have finished both hands, and I kind of just let them sit for an hour because, you know, she has in her instructions, in which you should do anyway, try not to wash your hands for an hour after you apply them. So I just wanted to kind of let them, you know, dry completely. And now I'm just going to add some of my cuticle oil. And this stuff is amazing. Oh my God, I love this cuticle oil. It has a really nice smelling pomegranate scent, as you can see, and I freaking love it. I got this off Amazon, and I'll be sure to link it down below. But I'm just gonna put a little drop of this. And I know some people are like, but why? You're just gonna loosen them up. No, I just kind of don't want anything looking dry looking. So I'm just gonna put a little dab to bring them back to life for the final look. And this one I gotta put a little extra on because of this little glue going on right here that I need to come off. Gonna massage that into my cuticle real quick. So the final thing I'm gonna do is just kind of file underneath because they can be a little sharp. Press on nails, that is. I'm gonna use my heavy duty filer. Just kind of like to file right underneath to get rid of that like sharp edge. So I don't scratch my doggone self, honey. And now I'm gonna wash my hands for the final look, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I went ahead and threw my little wedding ring on. I'm not really a big ring wearer, so I was like, let me grab my husband's rings too while they're in there. That's why they're on my thumbs, because, you know, he got some big fingers. But anyway, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love this blue. This is literally my very favorite color, y'all. Oh my God, I love this color. This color is a color that gives me energy. It just gives me positive energy anytime I see it, anytime I wear it, anytime I'm around it. And so I just love this color. So I feel like I did a good job. Everything looks neat and clean around the cuticle area where it looks like I got my nails done, and that is usually my goal and intent. I love them. So again, huge thank you and shout out to Tailored Tips. Video is not sponsored or anything, but I did want to come on and just give you know, just a small business, a small black business shout out, as I do sometimes on my channel. I love, love, love supporting especially our small black businesses. So, you know, anytime that I can, I will do that. Let me know what you guys think about my nails down in the comments below. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.